Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to use or how to apply arrays, rectangular array and polar array. So now let's take an example. Suppose one of my friend Shipra, she wants to take a conference. She want to arrange circular tables. So I said, okay, I'll help you in arranging tables. So now let's see how we can help Chipra to arrange circular table in in this hall. In this hall. Okay. So this is the hall and we want to place this circular table. First we have to arrange this chairs along with this table, and then we have to arrange this set all over the hall. So let's start. First we'll arrange this chair. So we have to take offset of this circle. Select the table. Go to the offset command from the modify panel. Then give the offset distance. How much distance we want? 4 units. This circle is only for reference. After array completion we will delete it. Okay, so now just select the chair, go for a array and modify tool. No, we don't want rectangular tool, just click flyout. There is an option polar array, select polar array, then specify center point. So by default it takes 6 number of chairs, but we want 9, so we can change it. So as you select array, it opens new panel named array. So here you want to change the number of chairs. Number of chair you can change it to 9. Looks perfect. So first delete the reference circle. So we got our final object. Now we want to arrange this tables all over the hall. So now 9 chairs are there. So now she want 3 rows and 2 columns. So let's go. Select. Again in the modify tool, modify panel, it's an array. Select rectangular array as the hall is in rectangular shape. Also we want to arrange it in rectangular way, rows and columns. So she wants 3 columns and 2 rows. So here change the rows and columns number. Column we want 3 and rows we want 2. We don't want the arrangement in this way. So now what we can do is we can simply shift the base point from the first one to the last one. And that's it. We have completed a task.